fix Facebook 6-digit code not working. So if your Facebook 6-digit code is not working, then first of all, you need to check the information, like you have to check the email address or check the phone number. So if you have entered the wrong email address or the wrong password, then the code will also be sent to that particular wrong address. So you have to check your information, and even after checking the information you don't receive the code, then the next thing you need to do is you have to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your code might delay sometimes. So check your internet connection, and even after checking the internet connection, if that issue still exists, then you can simply open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications, and then you have to open up your Facebook on your settings and simply go for storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But even after that, if your issue still exists, then you have to check that if your app needs an update. So open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar and search for Facebook. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your Facebook application. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.